G'day there everyone, Daniel Anderson here. Welcome to this episode, another Outlook Online video for you today. And this time we're going to take a look at a little piece of functionality that allows you to upload and share a file straight from the new email message dialog box. So one of the key aspects of when you're moving files to OneDrive or SharePoint or Teams is the fact that we then need to try and change the way that we collaborate on our files. So we don't want to send documents around as attachments, as different copies or different versions, but I can guarantee you users are still doing that. And this little feature in Outlook Online allows or makes it easier for end users to be able to share a document as opposed to emailing it as an attachment. So let's take a look at what we are talking about here. So I'm in Outlook Online, I'm in the PWA here. You can see I'm going to start a new message. Now, what we want to do is I want to send an email to Alex, but I want to use or send him a document. So I want to attach a document, but really I don't want to attach a document, right? So we use this attach button here. What we can do here is we can browse this computer for the document. We can browse other cloud locations. So if I jump into cloud locations here, you can see I've got the ability to go through my OneDrive. Any recent document that I've accessed, I can navigate my way through my entire OneDrive for that document. I can look at documents that have been shared with me. I can go through my groups as well. And if I jump into the Mark 8 project team group here, I can navigate my way around and find that document that I need to send through there too. What you can see here is I can also add an account. All right, so I can connect up different cloud accounts as well. But the thing I want to draw your attention to here is this option here where I can upload and share a document. So let's say I'm working on a proposal. It might be on my computer, it might be on my desktop, let's say. So what we can do is click on upload and share, and I've got in my documents folder here, I've got a folder and there's a document here for part specification. So what we want to do is we want to upload this to my OneDrive and actually share it. All right, so rather than attaching a copy. So I don't want to use the default folder in my OneDrive called attachments. I want to change the location. So what I want to do here is let's change the location to private info, and I'm going to upload that file into that location of my OneDrive. And you can see there, it's now going to, I've got the little cloud icon here as part of the document. And you can see here that I've got the permission of anyone can edit. But here is where I can manage the access. So I might not want Alex to edit this. So what I can change here is I can set this to recipients can view, and that means that the people that are in the to box field here, then they are only going to be able to view that file now instead of editing it. So I've now uploaded that document from my desktop. It's being stored in my OneDrive, and I'm actually sharing this document now as opposed to emailing a copy or an attachment or a different version of that document. Now, if I set it to edit, if I manage the access here and set recipients can edit, we're going to be editing and accessing the same document. So it's not a copy, it's not an attachment. The document's uploaded into my OneDrive, into the folder that I specified. I'm sharing the document, and we're both collaborating on the same document. Way better for your document management rather than sending a copy of that. So I hope that brings you some value. I hope you can see that that feature of uploading and sharing makes it a lot easier for end users to be able to utilize that functionality and the capabilities that we want to start using in the Office 365 platform. Thanks for watching. I hope that brings you some value, and I'll see you in the next episode.